We'll come back to default. Let's explore how to solve the 403 forbidden error using cPanel. The 403 forbidden error indicates that the server understands your request but refuses to fulfill it, commonly due to permission issues or incorrect configurations. It's important to resolve this quickly as it impacts user experience and website accessibility, so this tutorial will cover the common causes and fixes. RST, let's understand the 403 forbidden error, which can stem from various causes like a missing index file, incorrect file or folder permissions, a corrupted .taxis file, IP address blocking, or server configuration issues. Differentiate between error types by looking for specific messages, such as, "You don't have permission to access / on this server," and by accessing and interpreting error logs. XT will check file and directory permissions via cPanel by accessing the file manager, navigating to the affected directory, and understanding file permissions, which include read, write, and execute for user, group, and other. Correct permissions, so files should generally be 644 or read-write-read-read, while directories should be 755 or read-write-execute-read-execute-read-execute. Use the Change Permissions option in cPanel and apply permissions recursively with caution. W will examine the .taxis file by locating it in the cPanel file manager, remembering you might need to enable viewing hidden files. Before editing, download a backup of the .taxis file. Common .taxis errors causing 403 forbidden errors include incorrect directives, syntax errors, or accidental blocking of access. Test .taxis fixes by temporarily renaming the file to something like .taxis_old. If the problem is resolved, the .taxis file is the cause. Edit the original file carefully, commenting out suspicious lines, or restore a clean .taxis file if needed. To this, we'll address index file issues by understanding the importance of an index file, such as index.html or index.php. Check for the presence of an index file in the affected directory. If missing, create a simple index.html file with basic HTML structure and test to ensure it loads correctly. Set the directory index directive in .taxis if necessary, specifying the preferred index file. Loading on, let's deal with IP address blocking by checking if your IP address is blocked in cPanel's IP blocker. Remove your IP address from the blocked list if necessary. Understand that mod security rules may trigger 403 errors due to false positives. Temporarily disable mod security if possible, understanding the security implications, or contact your hosting provider for assistance if needed. Know when to contact your hosting provider, which is if you've exhausted all other troubleshooting steps, if the issue seems to be server-related, or if you are unsure about making changes to server configurations. When you do contact them, provide a detailed description of the problem, the steps you've already taken to troubleshoot, and the error messages you're seeing. Conclusion: we've recapped common solutions for 403 forbidden errors. Remember to back up files before making changes. If you're still experiencing issues, contact your hosting provider for assistance. Thanks for watching. See you next time on Default.